What's up guys, it's Chad from Overland Addict. We're out here in the forest doing some camping today, and I got my good friend Chris Holloway from MOORE Expo with me. And we're doing a series of videos teaching you guys how to make some campsite cocktails. And today we are making a bitter mimosa.
It's a spin on just a regular mimosa, but if you like a little bit different taste, if you kind of like the bitterness that the Campari's got, then you know, this completely changes the dynamic of the drink.
Absolutely. So, all right, Chris, well, let's get into this drink, man. How do we do it?
All right, Chad, well, I'll tell you what, you know, when my wife is along with us, she loves having a mimosa in the morning, and she likes that little bit of a bitter taste. So, so that's why we're gonna bring the Campari into it. What we're going to do first is take our Campari, which is a bitter liqueur, and all we're gonna do here is we're just gonna rim the glass.
Gives it a nice red color too, huh?
Yeah, we're just gonna get the flavor in there. Try not to spill it on myself here, but.
And how much of that do you pour in there? Just
enough
just
to
a slight amount.
Yeah, all we're doing is just getting a little bit of that flavor in there. It's pretty strong, so you don't need much. Give that a smell.
That's nice.
That is nice. So now we can add our champagne.
The bubbly.
Yep, and half is a great mixture for this. It's super easy. Again, this is not a strong drink, so you know it's nice with breakfast or right after that campfire coffee, and
something to sip on.
Yep, just something to sip on and watch the sun come up and sit by the river and enjoy. So
awesome. Now
that we've got half and half there, we'll go half and half with orange juice. I usually just grab a small gas station bottle of orange juice. There's no point in lugging a whole lot with you, so we'll just put our orange juice in there. I think we might need to go to the store and get some more.
We might need another bottle now, yeah.
Yeah. Now the fun part, what we got to do is we got to play with a little bit of fire. Awesome. So if you wouldn't mind, this is really just going to kind of give it that toasty note flavor, and there we go.
Nice and toasty.
Once that's ready, we just drop it right on in. Let's get 2 of these going.
Absolutely, one for each. This is the one case where it's okay to play with fire.
Yeah, you can play with fire. Yeah, while you're making beverages. Please drink responsibly. There we go. And we'll drop that in.
Great.
And welcome to the world of bitters.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, that's nice.
That kind of rounds it out a little bit.
It really does, yeah.
Great morning cocktail. Where can we find these?
Well, if you come to the MOORE Expo in April, we're going to have the Overland Addict recovery room, and we're going to have a lounge there. We're going to be serving some drinks, a little live music. Yeah, it's a place to come take your load off for a minute and just rest a little bit and have a nice drink. Yeah,
guys, we'll put a link to pre-sale tickets in the video, and come hang out, relax, recover in the recovery room.
Sounds like a plan. Cheers.
Cheers.